What happened, Aman? Why are you looking so sad? Nothing, bro. Please tell me, because you are my friend. Aman, I want to make a YouTube channel, but I don't know about it. That how to make YouTube channel. So please can you tell me about it? That how to make YouTube channel? Are you ready to make YouTube channel? Yes, of course. Okay, so let's open your YouTube. Then after that, please tell me. After that, you click on your profile, please. And after that, click on your channel. And after that, so you will see your YouTube channel will be made. Wow, very good. You have done my work easily. Thank you for making a YouTube channel for me.